Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a cheap and lovely house in Sadina village, located in the scenic Targovishte area. Despite its poor condition, this spacious house has great potential and is perfect for those looking for a fixer-upper project. Situated just 18 kilometers from Popovo, 60 kilometers from Ruse, and 160 kilometers from Varna, Sadina village offers a peaceful retreat away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Although the house requires significant renovation work, it boasts a spacious layout with large, life-filled rooms and a balcony offering beautiful views of the surrounding countryside. The garden, resembling a forest, is vast and flat, providing plenty of space for outdoor activities and gardening projects. While the property has not been maintained for years and the roof leaks, its inherent beauty shines through, offering the opportunity to restore it to its former glory. In addition to the main house, there is a garage and several outbuildings, providing ample storage space or potential for additional living quarters. The layout of the house includes a large corridor and 3 rooms on the first floor, as well as a balcony, another spacious corridor, and 3 more rooms on the second floor. With its generous proportions and charming features, this house has the potential to become a cozy family home or a profitable investment property. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of Bulgarian real estate at an unbeatable price. With its picturesque location and endless potential, this property is truly a diamond in the rough. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and start your journey towards owning your dream home in Sadina village.
Allow us to introduce ourselves to you, so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another No Thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Няма Проблеми Ltd, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold. And we have been selling properties for 20 years. So we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel. An outlook which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school. There's a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market these days, they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the houses or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit. Or buy it at its absolute lowest market price. With no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website. There will be a link below and see what there is for you.